Introducing the Smeg MOC02 Countertop Microwave with Oven and Grill, an appliance that brings together refined Italian design, exceptional build quality, and true multi-purpose functionality. Designed with versatility and everyday convenience in mind, the Smeg Countertop Microwave offers a wide range of cooking functions, including powerful microwave capabilities, within a compact, beautifully engineered form. This model is available in 4 colorways: black, white, emerald green, and storm blue. These finishes form part of the Clexione design family, presenting a clean, modern aesthetic that complements a wide range of interiors. The microwave features a soft closed door, ensuring controlled and quiet movement within everyday use. Beyond the immediate tactile experience, the mechanism protects the hinge system, reduces long-term wear, and provides a level of refinement associated with the build of premium appliances. The handle and door structure have been designed to offer excellent stability, offering a smooth, well-balanced open motion. The Smeg microwave also benefits from a shorter overall depth when compared to many leading countertop models. This allows the appliance to sit comfortably on shallower worktops without encroaching on valuable preparation space. This reduces footprint but does not limit internal capacity. The microwave still provides a generous 27-litre capacity, offering ample room for dishes, plates, and cookware used in everyday cooking. Inside the microwave, you'll find a full stainless steel interior, manufactured from medical-grade stainless steel. This ensures excellent durability, promotes superior hygiene, and enhances heat reflection within the cavity, supporting more consistent, efficient cooking performances across every function. Each model is equipped with a clear, intuitive LCD colour display, providing excellent visibility in terms of settings, timings, and programs. The interface is designed for ease of use, allowing quick navigation through functions whether you're reheating, grilling, or using combination mode. The Smeg microwave offers a broad array of cooking modes. The microwave function delivers fast, efficient heating, supported by both automatic and manual defrost options. There is also a keep warm setting, ideal for holding food at the perfect temperature without risking drying or overcooking. In addition to microwave functionality, the appliance includes a full grill, perfect for browning and crisping, and a fan-assisted oven, allowing you to bake and roast within a compact footprint. The AirFry function is another key feature of the microwave. Unlike many countertop alternatives, the model includes a preheat cycle, ensuring more consistent and reliable crisping of foods, such as chips, vegetables, and breaded items, offering the benefits of an air fryer without requiring multiple products. One of the standout capabilities of the appliance is its combination cooking technology. By blending microwave energy with the grill or fan assist, cooking times can be reduced significantly while still achieving excellent texture and colour. The appliance also offers multi-step cooking functionality, allowing several stages to be programmed in a sequence. This is particularly useful for dishes requiring transitions between functions, such as defrosting, baking, and air frying. Simply select each stage in order, and the MOC02 carries them out automatically. When using fan assist within a multi-step sequence, the appliance will prompt you once the oven has reached temperature, allowing you to confirm before the next stages begins. For example, a jacket potato, resulting in a soft, fluffy interior quickly, using microwave heat, before switching to fan assist for a crisp and golden skin. The microwave also includes a comprehensive chef menu, offering a wide selection of preset automatic programs designed to optimize cooking for specific food categories, including meat and poultry, fish and shellfish, vegetables, cake and sweets, bread, pizza and cereals. Simply select the food type, input the weight, and the appliance will automatically determine the ideal sequence of the cooking stages, removing the need for manual adjustments and ensuring consistent, reliable results. To support the full range of cooking functions, the appliance comes supplied with a set of premium accessories, including a wire rack, a perforated baking tray, ideal for air fry and crisping functions, and a standard baking tray for traditional roasting and baking tasks. The microwave also includes a convenient QR code on the appliance, giving quick access to the My Smeg Assistant for guided cooking tips, program support, and additional recipe inspiration tailored to the model. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.